Tonight I'm going to show you how to make my most favorite recipe for shishito peppers. And if you haven't yet seen my video about planting shishito peppers, be sure to check that out above because they are my favorite pepper to grow in the garden. Okay, so the first thing to do is add about 1/8 cup of olive oil into a cast iron pan. And I have it on about medium to high heat. Once that oil gets heated up, then you're going to add in about 2½ cups of fresh shishito peppers. And then you're going to add in 1/4 cup of soy sauce. And then 2 tablespoons of fresh garlic. And then all you have to do is just stir them around and let them simmer down. I usually cook them for about 6 minutes, but you can cook them until they're as tender as you'd like, but usually about 6 to 7 minutes is perfect. The nice part about these peppers is that they are super mild, and so if you have someone who doesn't like anything that's hot, these are the perfect pepper for them. After the peppers are done cooking, just pour them into a dish and sprinkle them with a little bit of salt, and then enjoy. I would love to hear how you like this recipe, and I will see you in the next video.